Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox volume not working on mobile. First, let's cover the basics. Make sure your device's physical volume buttons are pressed to increase the sound. Also, confirm that your phone or tablet isn't in silent mode or do not disturb, as these settings can mute all audio. A quick check to see if other apps have sound will help us determine if the issue is specific to Roblox or your device's overall audio. Next, let's dive into the Roblox app itself. Launch Roblox and access the in-game settings, usually found via the gear icon. Look for the audio or sound section and verify that all volume sliders, like master volume or music volume, are turned up and not muted. Additionally, head to your device's main settings, find Roblox, and ensure it has the necessary permissions for sound output, which is crucial for proper audio function. If the problem persists, let's try some common troubleshooting steps. First, completely close the Roblox app and then reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Next, go to your device's app settings, find Roblox, and clear its cache. This can often fix corrupted data. After that, restart your entire mobile device. Finally, visit your app store to ensure your Roblox app is updated to the latest version, as updates often include bug fixes. For more persistent issues, consider these advanced steps. If nothing else has worked, you might need to uninstall and then reinstall the Roblox application. This ensures a fresh installation. Also, try playing Roblox on a different network connection. Sometimes network issues can affect game performance, including audio. If all else fails, gather all the details about your problem and reach out to Roblox's official support team for personalized assistance. They can provide specific solutions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.